Yo, 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 yo. Last day in Korea, man, this what we gon' do. We gon' flow, man, bring it right to you. In front of the mirror, doing our thing. No change, man, no blame, but we don't give a fuck. We the fucking islanders. That's how it goes, nobody better. With my boy Mark, with my boy Mike. With this flow, man, I do it right. This how we do it, man, where we from. Stunting so hot like the motherfucking sun. Chris Camacho, that be my name. Crossover, man, driving you insane. I'ma pass it out to my fucking Mark. That's how it goes, he about to make that shit spark. Let me get a hit, about to smoke it up. Chris Camacho, yes indeed, that's what's up. With my boy to the left, white boy Mike. Call him Willis, cause he will fight. Don't fuck with him, cause you gotta fuck with me. Then Mark, then Ed, then our bitch Lee. I don't know what to say, I'ma keep on going. I'ma keep on flowing in any motherfucking way. This is how we do it. I'm running out of breath. I don't give a fuck, I'm not even deaf. I don't know why I said that shit, but it rhymes. I don't give a fuck, man, I do it all the time. With my boy on the left, my boy on the right. Free in the middle, we keep this shit tight with our motherfucking feet. Watch our footwork, that's how it goes. Nobody gon' berserk. Round two, that's verse two, that's for me, motherfucking in the middle. My guru, in the hustle, now illegal. I need. Oh, dude. Go do your Filipino song. What Filipino song? Na 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 tattoo na